See all the cables around that take the data from you and they take the data out from you. But there is something else beyond this data communication, bits and bytes, right? Spend time in connecting to the nature. Sunset is the most beautiful thing a person can witness in his lifetime. If a person is missing sunrise and sunset, he is missing a lot. They are the most beautiful things, the secrets of nature. One must enjoy. There are a lot of benefits associated with that for the physical well-being and the psychological well-being. Watching your favorite shows late night and waking up late, and in the evenings as well, spending time becoming a couch potato, that is not something good. The nature always tells you to have discipline. As the sun, what you are seeing, he has a discipline. He's got the timings, what time to sunrise, what time to set. So that teaches you a lot of discipline. He is the visible Almighty before you, right? Who is the source of your survival. And if you are not learning anything, then something wrong. You need to make a plan how to lead your life. God has given the wisdom. Our scriptures are there, your faiths, your teachings, your elders have taught you morals, ethics and legality. Then why do you miss them? Don't miss. Make your life happy. If you bypass any of that discipline, what was taught to you, what you have learned, then the end will not be good. There is life in having the discipline, leading a life with integrity, right? The health, wealth, marital relations and family relations, all are important. If something is failing, something is not good, marital relations are not good, their discipline is on the wrong track. Adopt Bindu Dhyan for 4 minutes in a day minimum. That's going to change your lifestyle. You will be better person, new person altogether, right? So if you are better person, then you can make other people around you a better persons. That way the society and the whole globe as well, whole the universe can be a better place for you to live and for others also to live, right? Live in the present, never hang on the past or in the future. Don't dream the future which is not there yet. So focus on the present, focus on the red dot, your burning topic, find out the solution. You know the solution. If a person is not well, he knows the reason why he was not well. If a person is poor, he knows why he is poor. If a person is not having good family relations, he knows what's the root cause. But if you give it time and if you have the orientation, interest in resolving that issues, that you can achieve. Some people want the issues to be dragged for hours, days, months, years and even beyond. There is some memory that's allocated to that and keep on refreshing that with various inputs to that. So how about solving that issue and using that time on some better things for your purposeful life? Do not miss sunsets and sunrises in your life, right? So that is the beginning of a good things in your life. All the best.